Welcome to the Homeschool Schoolhouse.
Cool! Look at that lizard. Can you say lizard? What's the first sound you hear when you say lizard? Ooh. Can you say ooh? Here's a lamp. A lamp gives us light. Can you say lamp? Ooh, lamp. Look at that leaf. Leaf starts with ul too. Here's the letter L. L says ul. Can you say ul again? Just like in leaf, lamp, and lizard. Keep practicing the ul sound.